Well, it's a 37 and Chevrolet, and it's got V8 automatic, power steering, brakes, Mustang 2 front end, air conditioning, cruise control. It's got everything. Drives great. The lockbox in the back was my dad's when he was in World War II. He's in the Navy. That's his foot locker that he used, and he mailed it back to Kansas City. Still got the stamps on it from being mailed. Well, my wife wasn't real crazy about it. She doesn't like older vehicles. She goes, "What year is this?" I said, 37. She shook her head. She said, "I don't know what people like about these old vehicles." She couldn't understand it. Two people walked up before I could get into the grocery store and parking place. They said, "What year is that?" She goes, 37. It was just kind of funny because she had paid attention to it before, but she answered the question pretty quick. Now she kind of likes it.